Hi there, I'm Sinan. You're watching the channel Sinotech. Must have watched the title that says the One UI 4 features of the stable version. People must have already watched it. So must have clicked the video by seeing the title, right? Yeah. So yeah, I would be just explaining the features and what it is and some recent changes in the animations between One UI 3.1 and One UI 4. Yeah, so I had got the stable version update yesterday for my Galaxy S20. So yeah, I'll be showing you the version. So let's start. This is my first video. Please, I hope you people will give me support and all. Thank you. Please like and subscribe. Yeah, then the first feature, that is, we'll start with the animations itself. Of course, Samsung has improved a lot of animations within this period of time from One UI 3 to One UI 4. Now One UI 4 is more of like iOS type. Yeah, of course the animations are so smooth. I can show you some examples, like see the animations. It's worth, and it's worth it. I know it's worth it. It's very worth. Then yeah, of course, you can show some apps. You can see the apps opening and closing. Like, its animations are so good that you can see that. Oh, this, you can see this. You can see this. That's absolutely good. Yeah, then a part of animations is one is from the settings. You can see the animation when you scroll down. There is an over scroll effect. You can see how it is. So I'm giving you the tap features so you can see how I'm tapping the device. So you can see this, how the over scroll effect was. And it's not only for the system apps, it's optimized for all the applications. I can give you the example of Twitter. You can see this. You can see how its over scroll effect is working. Every apps will have over scroll effect for now. The main change for the now we changes for the theme of the One UI 4. You can see the brightness has already changed. Brightness has already been changed. Icons have become a bit more smaller. Even the notifications have become more smaller. You can see this now. Yeah, that's the main feature. I had seen, like, in the changes in the theme, the brightness slider is one that you will see. Then the other thing is the edge panel blur. When you used to do in One UI 3.2 the edge, the background used to blur. Now that is not there. Now only this thing will get blurred. The inside part of the edge panel is getting blurred. You can see this. It's good, right? Yeah, you can use pop-up view from this and split screen and all from edge panel. It's good, very good. Yeah, then the other one more feature I wanted to say to is the always on display. You know, the always on display feature. The always on display has become so good that you can see always on display has one more option over here, show for new notification. It's absolutely for battery saving. That's good, actually. If you're using 120 hertz and your battery is going and you wanted always on display also, of course your battery will drain more faster, very fast, quick. So for that, a new option is show for new notifications. You can see show for new notifications. So whenever a notification pops up, always on display will be on and it will get off after some time. Yeah, that's good. That's a good feature. I really like it. Now for the next feature, I saw is the great thing is a color palette option. That is, like, you can see the apps color. Must have noticed it. This apps color, the system apps, like you can see my files, Samsung Notes, Samsung applications. Yeah, all have changed their color to red according to the wallpaper. You can see the wallpaper is mostly red color, so even the color palette is red. So that's a new feature. It was an old feature, but you require an external app to do that. It was there in the feature in Good Lock. You can see this app called Good Lock. It was there in the home up application, I guess. Yeah, you could change the theme of the you can see application. You know how to do is that, first of all, you need to set a wallpaper. Go to wallpaper and style. You can see the wallpaper and style. Have selected my wallpapers and I have set this as my wallpaper. Okay, or else I can show you one example, again one example also. So I'm taking this wallpaper as this. I'm setting this wallpaper and you can see how it looks set as color palette. You can see how many options have come already. You can see how much options have come. You can see the color changes. So I will be choosing this for now. You can see set as color palette. It has absolutely changed the full total color of the phone. Yeah, you can see how it looks. even that has been changed. So yeah, first it was like this. Now it has changed. That's the way it works. Everything changes actually. Even the settings also, you can see the changes when you search for this is in blue color. Everything actually of the system thing becomes blue in color. You can see many things become blue in color. You can see the brightness slider, everything becomes blue. Whatever you select, whatever color you select, you get that feature. That's a good move by Samsung. I really appreciate Samsung for that, for doing this without any external app. It's inbuilt into the system. Very good. It's good, right? Actually, thank you. And of course, the next feature, you can see it's the widgets. You can see the different types of widgets, and the theme of the widgets has also been changed by Samsung. That's also a good move. You can see, like when I scroll down, even the app icons of the widget has also been changed compared to One UI 3.1. If you just take a glance at the One UI 3.1, you can see it will be a different icon. Now you can see about widgets, it's changed. First it was like a full screen. Now it has been cut short into some small brackets. You can see it's filled into small spaces. Now you can see if you want to expand it, you can expand it. You can see, like, yeah, that's good. You can see how many features, even the over scroll effect works with the widgets. Also everything it works with. Yeah, of course it's a Samsung application, Samsung's feature. You can see it looks good, right? Yeah, you have many other options, like you have new type of weather. It can show you of weather. Now you can see this weather application. You have this one, and this one. Yeah, all the changed ones. This is type of iOS type they have copied. That's actually good. No problem. It looks good with this. You have all the new types of widgets in this. You have clock widgets. Yeah, you can see this is a clock widget application. You can see this clock. That's good. Animation also is good. You can change settings of this clock also in this. You can see if you want any type of clock, you can change it. Yeah, I personally prefer this one, so that's the reason I use this. Dark mode, I didn't find any special feature, but I just wanted to include this in this video, as like people should know that, because if you check at One UI 3.1, it's not that dark as One UI 4. So dark mode has become a bit more darker. That's good. It's good, like it looks more darker. I appreciate it. Yeah, I included this so that people will know that it's not like that of One UI 3. It's a bit more darker than One UI 3. So One UI 4 has taken dark mode to most of the parts, made it more darker in most of the areas. Good. Next feature, that is force pop-up view of apps. Must have not known, like, what is pop-up view is like. Especially this is pop-up view. You can see this is pop-up view. You can see, but pop-up view was not. It had a limit to it. Most of the apps, like only certain apps would work with pop-up view. Like Instagram did not work with pop-up view till One UI 3.1. But in One UI 4, you get a feature in settings, in advanced features. If you go to labs section, you can see a feature called multi-window for all apps. This feature was there before in developer options. People must know what is developer options. Yeah, people may know what is developer options. Yeah, you need to go to developer options. You get the extra features of your phone in that. Some may be messy. Do not play with it. Go to developer options. You get force pop-up view for all, or multitasking mode. Yeah, but this is a multi-window for all apps. It been enabled into the settings of Samsung devices, Galaxy devices. That's absolutely good. I absolutely liked it. So that's one feature. Wanted to mention it over here. Yeah, that's it. Feature I found is in Good Lock. Actually, it's not a feature. It's a third-party application from Samsung. Good Lock is where a customizing app for your Galaxy devices. That's, if you want, people may download it from the Galaxy store. It's good for customization. You can do many things. If you want customize your lock screen, you may customize it. If you want some clock faces for your lock screen or AOD, you get it in this. You can see this. You get tons of clock faces if you want. Yeah, that's it. That's the best thing about Good Lock is for customization. But now I see one thing is when you go to multi-star, In multi-tab, yeah, you can see a new feature known as I love Samsung Dex. It was a new feature actually. It was introduced to 1.4. If you're using a person using your Samsung Dex, if you're into Samsung Dex, connect your phone to computer and use your phone. It's for you people. You can see you can increase the resolution of external display if you want through Samsung Dex, and you can auto open last tab. That's good, but I don't use it. Auto open last tab, like if you keep and go, if you open app and like you want to auto open, it can auto open a closed app before the app you closed, then run many apps at the same time. It's especially a type of Windows, like your computer itself, you can run many apps at the same time. First, I think 2 to 3 apps were allowed at a time, but now you can run as many as apps how much you want at the same time. I think, yeah, more than 5 apps to be shown on the connected display. That's good. That was a new feature in Good Lock. And there are other tons of features in Good Lock also in customization. So I'm not saying this in this video because then it will become a more lengthy video. There are tons of more features. You people may refer Good Lock application and search for new features if you want. If you have Good Lock, a Galaxy device that supports Good Lock, it's good for customization. I prefer people use it. For privacy is the next feature under my list and the most important feature of our list. Yeah. Privacy, there are some tons of changes made in privacy. Not tons, like 2 to 3 changes are made in privacy compared to 1 UI 3 and 3.1. Yeah, if you go for privacy apps in the settings, you can see the changes here. You can see this is the changes brought over here. You can see all the permissions of all things accepting this. Yeah, for microphone, you can see all the device apps, contacts, you can see all the apps, files and media, you can see all the apps. Then the next feature in it is if you go to your control panel, just slide over here, you can see 2 new options in your control panel: microphone access and camera access. That means, like, see, now I'm speaking through a microphone, right? Yeah, I'm using a microphone. So yeah, you can see this, the microphone, like what you can say, the icon over there, microphone icon. See, you can see the microphone icon over there. Yeah, that's a new feature. That's a good feature adopted from iOS, but no, it looks, yeah, you can see the green dot. Now if I open a camera application, so if I open a camera application, see, you can see 2 new dots will be there. You can see that you see 2, camera and microphone, both have been accessed. So it shows that both have been accessed. That's pretty good, no problem. I think okay. 50, you can see the dot that represents, yeah, if I'm using microphone unknowingly, like my microphone is being accessed, I can see my microphone is being accessed, wherever it be. So that's a cool feature. I actually like that feature. So there are more other features need to be set, but this video will become lengthy. These are the most important features of Android 12 and 1 UI for upgraded features. So I would like to end my video here. If any concerns about this video, please do comment in the comment sections. I'm here to help you anytime ever I can. If any technological help you need about smartphones or anything, I would of course make a video on that if I'm able to. Okay, thank you.